Okay, good evening everybody. Now we have been here for the 2 days and we had a very nice wonderful learning session. I really deeply thank you Pankaj Bhai for allowing us or giving us an opportunity to basically participate in this platform. And what I realized was basically we were more monotonous in our works in whatever we used to do, and we had a feeling and an impression that whatever we used to do is already to the level what we have achieved. But then after attending this and after 2 days I now realize more that it is more important to regularly attend such training programs so that down the line you can pass on the same information to your team, and as a whole the whole company grows up. Number two, what I learned from you in fact personally was that you have an ideas of doing everything, but the will what you need to do is that will is to you have to come out with that willpower to do it, which will make you achieve the results. That is what was the most important part of the training what I learned. And moreover, besides that, there were many other things which were into focus, and I'll make sure that I'll try to put it into the practice and practice regularly to make sure that we as an employee or we as a coordinator, we achieve that extra mile, and at the end the company or the sanstha is helpful. Thank you very much.